Hello everyone. So today I will teach you how to install Chrome browser in your computer safely. So first open your browser and type google.com. After that, type Google Chrome. Just click the first result from what you have searched and then click this download Chrome. Accept and install. So let us click this open file. After that, your computer will ask permission if to install it. So just click this install anyway. Let us wait. Yes. To determine whether it is safe, you will see this lock sign here, which means it is secured and safe. Let us wait for the Google Chrome to download. Okay, download complete. And it is installing. Let's just wait. Let's wait until it is installed. Okay. It is already installed, so here's our Google Chrome. So that's all everyone, and thank you for watching.